Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 23rd. It's about a minute before the market opens. And tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I suspect the market may be a little bit light this morning. Daily volume isn't bad yet, but market depth seems to be off. I'm just looking here. We've had a zigzag all through here, really weak for the past hour and a half, 2 hours. So I'm trying to determine where this thing is going to go. Looking at this chart, it appears that up is going to be more likely than down in the way that this has been creeping up here. So we'll look for longs. That'll be my bias. I think we could probably get back up to the 50 at least. Let's see what happens here. Alright, so the market is open. Let me come back here. It's going to take a minute or two. Put in my high, my low for the day. Okay, there's my pop to the upside. Right here, right there, squeezing the bands. All right. Still going to stick to my bias to the longs. Didn't really have the MACDs for that setup there. Right here, separation into the zero line, into the bottom band. See if I can get this bull flag to go. Okay, well, we're struggling right in here. For this, so we're going to go ahead, put this right in here, see if we can't take some off. Well, take off a little bit there. Close the rest. All right. This thing's been real up and down, weaving in. The large triggers have just gone flat, so I'm looking for something that will actually give me what I want, which is a nice move up. It may very well be coming just right now, but I want to get the MACDs and all right, so I'm going to wait for something that works for me. I'll be back. All right, so it looks like market is starting to really pick its direction. I'm looking for is a pullback right up here to this mid band. Okay, I just took a short from there, made a gift on the same bar. I'm looking for this pullback to happen here. This thing's close to ready to drop. I just got a little anxious. Oh, okay, we have consumer sentiment coming out in a bit. I forgot about that. 5 minutes. So you came back right up back into the triggers here. This is nice and down still. Let's see if we can get this to go ahead and work. If we can, target's going to be like that. It's getting kind of squirrely now with news coming out in 3, I guess. Let's take a look. It's going to do whatever it's going to do. I want to look and pay attention and see if I can find something in here that I might have missed. Went to the deep here. Okay, market depth dries up as news starts to come out. News is out. Market depth should start coming back. There we go, market depth is back. Okay, looks like we can go ahead and push on down. We'll reach our 100% extension. At 610, not looking so good. What it looks like on the chart, it's actually just grinding along the outer band there. Should go ahead and push on down. This is looking good here. Push down to the 100. Take some off there. Struggling at the 62. All right, so we've had a big move in the MACDs and the 987. I mean, where's my point? There's my point. Look at this. From here all the way to here, it's pushed all the way up. Yet price has only come up. For all this movement, the price moved up 2 points. 2.5 points. It's a big bunch of to do about nothing. So I really am looking for this thing to go ahead and drop on down. And if it does, then I'll tuck up behind the pivot, but I'll wait for the price to get back down here before I move the boundary. Okay, so we just had a nice little push down there, so I went ahead and moved my boundary right behind the pivot. It's also the 100%. This lines up with the 50 to the 62 right there. I'm looking at that pivot. This thing is just a little deeper. I'm watching what it's going to do here at the 100. What, it's 9:15. I want to respect myself and get out. Call it done. So 2.5 points for the day. Thank you very much. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone in the U.S. and don't plan to look at the market on Friday. It's not likely to be much of a market. I'm going to take the day off. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching.